Anna.
Okay, so I closed on my first flip last week.
Oh,
And I
wow.
acquired that. Thank you. Thank you. Acquired that through a hard money lender. And as far as the down payment, I was fortunate enough to have credit cards that had 0% interest rates until October. So I took advantage of those to get funds for down payment and rehab. So broke into that this week, now into, well, last week into week 2. And so I took the time to talk to lenders from a perspective of, could I refinance this hard money loan? Was there opportunity in being able to do kind of a refi and get money out to help fund the rehab? So the answer was no. But I talked to Chase, a big bank, and then also a smaller credit union. So the conversation went from, no, refinance isn't possible, but there's opportunity if I were to stay in the property, perhaps turn it into a rental, that opportunity to refinance at that point, or possibly take out a HELOC for funds there. So didn't quite get the answers I was hoping for on that, but certainly opened up conversations for maybe a future state.
So where are your conversations with private lenders at, Anna? And what's your closing date?